Awakening to unity through sexuality, a journey of consciousness and Kundalini energy. Once you have experienced an awakening of consciousness, you will understand the true purpose of sexual relationships and their symbolic meaning as a unifier of masculine and feminine energies. This unification occurs at the mental plane level, allowing us to transcend the mind's duality and reach the spiritual plane. At birth, we were placed in this world of duality and given a male and female body. As human beings, we naturally seek to balance our sexual energies. One of the ways we do this is through sexual relationships. We wish to be with someone who complements our sexuality to find unity at the spiritual level. When this process is carried out, the two bodies become one. Between two people of opposite sexes experiencing this union, they experience true magic. The sexual energy between them creates a kind of battery, thus doubling their power. This expansion of Kundalini energy results in greater consciousness and deeper transcendental experiences. It also allows tuning into their respective spiritual bodies to a degree impossible to achieve alone. One's energy feeds the other's energy. Since each one's tree of life is activated, so are the energies that comprise the totality of their consciousness. When the couple awakens with their Kundalini energy and connects sexually, each feeds on the deepest levels of their being by the energy of the other, healing simultaneously. The couple's energy expels the negativity of the other, simply by being in their presence while their auras intertwine. It also allows tuning into their respective spiritual bodies to a degree impossible to achieve alone. For those awakened to Kundalini, the actual act of sexual relationship becomes divine. As a result, both experience spiritual ecstasy because the sexual energy is triggered at a deeper level by the other's Kundalini, experiencing this with women. Aware of their true divinity, sexuality is lived at higher states of consciousness, amplifying sexual energy. Sexual relationships are a ritual of unification, a type of bond or sublimation of sex on the physical plane, producing the same effects on the astral and mental planes. The purpose is to transcend the lower cosmic planes, so consciousness can rise and enter the spiritual. As such, healing occurs at all levels: mind, body, and soul. The human body is the most complete laboratory in the world on the potential of human energy. Ultimately, valuing sex as a spiritual activity can not only transform our feelings and help us satisfy ourselves and our partner, but at the same time, it can also change our life goals and our well-being degree. Have a great day, everyone, and enjoy this weekend in the best way possible. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the light's flame in service to Gaia. Voice by We Are Positive Worldwide. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, do not forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.